cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. I call upon Mrs. Gautami, Assistant Professor, Child Health Nursing Department for delivering the welcome address. Over to you, ma'am.
I'd like to welcome Sri Ashit Mohan Prasad, IPS, retired Director General of Police, the chief guest of today's event. Sir has completed his MA Economics from Delhi School of Economics, and Sir has done his MBA from IGNOU and LLB from Bangalore University. Sir held various posts and worked as Superintendent of Police at Tumkur, Mangalore, Mysore, Chamarajanagar district and Deputy Commissioner of Police at East Division, Bangalore City. Sir has also worked in Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi for almost 10 years. Sir has also worked as Additional Director General of Police and Director General of Police, Karnataka State Intelligence for 4 years. Sir has also worked as DGP, that is Internal Security Division, Karnataka State, Bangalore. Presently, Sir is working as Director General of Police, Home Guards, Karnataka State Fire and Emergency Services, Civil Defence and SDRF. Sir has been awarded with many medals and awards. One of it is with President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2001 and Police Medal for Distinguished Service in 2011. The credibility of Sir in terms of his service and position goes on. And Sir has been retired in October 2020. We are extremely delighted to have such an eminent and dynamic personality amongst us today as chief guest. On behalf of RBCN, we welcome you, Sir, wholeheartedly. Next, I would like to acknowledge my hearty welcome to Dr. S.R. Rajendra Singh, Principal, RBCN, for the enthusiastic support, encouragement and guidance for making this program into reality. On behalf of RBCN, we welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to take this opportunity to express my warm welcome to Professor Mamta Nischal, HOD Medical Surgical Nursing Department, RB College of Nursing, who has guided us throughout in organizing the event. On behalf of RBCN, we welcome you, ma'am, event. Welcome you all once again. Have a good day.
Now we have arrived to the auspicious part of today's historic occasion, flag hoisting. I request our chief guest of today's day, Sri Ashit Mohan Prasad sir and Principal Dr. Gajendra Singh and Mrs. Mamta, Professor, HOD Department of Medical Surgical Nursing, to do the flag hoisting.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ 26 ಜನವರಿ? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈ ದಿವಸ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್, ಈ ದಿವಸ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 1950. So now we are touching 72 years. Why 26 January 1950? ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ 26 ಜನವರಿ? ಕಾರಣ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಇನ್ 1930 ಲಾಹೋರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಪೂರ್ಣ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ 72 years, and on this occasion we reiterate that we will still follow the constitution for the progress, prosperity and development of India. So this is the significance. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡೇ, ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ.
ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जा टकरा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरी कदमों पे हम बैठ अपनी सरों की चढ़ा जाएंगे। ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम।
All of you are from different parts of the country. You are all put together under one classroom, and we keep saying that please don't create any kind of groupism, because this is not a healthier way of leading the country. So country not only belongs to us, country also belongs to the next generation. Country belongs to many people who stay here, right? So we need to be responsible with each other, towards each and every part of the nature. So once we try to conserve our nature, conserve our country, definitely our country will prosper. With this small brief note, I would again like to wish all of you again a happy Republic Day.
Today, great pleasure to say that we are in Purna Swaraj. For the past so many years, we are enjoying our independence with empowered fundamental rights. Before this 72 years before, the India was ruled by Britishers and there was colonial way of administration, and there was monarch. So we have put an end for this type of administration. Here there are two terms which are very, very important: constitution and democracy. These two started going together and brought a lot of changes in India till now. You, the young generation, should think how best we could able to contribute something to the nation, being in your profession, and have good attitude, good culture, and respect your constitution, respect your fundamental rights, use your rights in a proper way, constructive way, whatever the privilege pride is there. That we have to make use for the constructive reason, and we will be called as ideal Indian citizens. That's what I hope. Even in future, you must try to bring good role model civilians for future building of India. Thank you.
Express my superior thanks to our today's chief guest, Shri Ashif Mohan Prasad sir, retired Director General of Police, for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion out of his own schedule. Thank you, sir. Above all, I thank God Almighty for blessing us and made this function grand success. On this special occasion, let's make a promise to our motherland that we will do and all we can do to enrich and preserve our heritage, our national ethos. Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud to be part of India. Wish you all very happy Republic Day. Thank you once again.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान